Hi there, little explorers. Are you ready for an ocean adventure? Dive into the deep blue sea and learn the alphabet with amazing ocean animals. From A to Z, let's explore the underwater world. Have you ever wondered which ocean animal starts with the letter A? Let's find out. A is for anemone. Did you know anemones are soft and wavy and love to live on coral reefs? Now let's move to the letter B. B is for blue tang. Blue tangs are bright blue fish with yellow tails. And here's a fun fact. They love to swim near other fish friends. What's next? C. C is for clownfish. Yes, just like the clownfish in that fun movie. They live happily in anemones. D is for dolphin. Dolphins are super smart and love to jump high over the water. E is for eel. Eels look like long snakes, but they're really slimy fish. What could F be? F is for flounder, a flat fish that hides in the sand. Now G. G is for giant squid. They have long arms called tentacles. Can you pretend to wave them? H is for hammerhead shark. Their head is shaped just like a big hammer. I is next, and it stands for icefish. Did you know icefish live in freezing cold water? Brrr! Now we have J. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish float and wiggle through the water like magical dancers. K is for kelp. Kelp is not an animal, but it's tasty for many sea fish. L is for lobster. Lobsters have strong claws to crack open their food. M is for manta ray. Manta rays glide so smoothly, they look like they're flying underwater. N is for narwhal. Narwhals are like sea unicorns with their long spiral tusks. Next is O. O is for octopus. Octopuses can change colors to hide. Isn't that cool? P is for pufferfish. When they are scared, they puff up big like a balloon. Q stands for queen angelfish, a sea beauty with rainbow colors on her fins. R is for ray, another flatfish that swims quickly along the ocean floor. S is for seahorse. Seahorses love to hold onto plants with their tiny tails. T is for turtle. Turtles can swim for miles and miles. U is for urchin. Urchins are little spiky balls that roll on rocks. What's V? V is for viperfish. These fish have sharp teeth, even scarier than the movies. W is for whale. Did you know whales sing underwater? Yes, they love to make music. X is for Cepheus, the swordfish. It's one of the fastest swimmers in the ocean. Y stands for yellow tang. These tiny yellow fish light up the ocean. Z is for zebra moray eel. They have black and white stripes just like zebras. Wow, we've explored all the letters. You've done an amazing job today, little explorer. Did you have fun? Remember, the ocean is filled with exciting surprises just like these animals. See you next time, friends. Bye.